Good afternoon, everybody. Jason with MarineMax Clearwater, and today we're going to show you one of our nicest pre-owned vessels we have on display here at the Clearwater showroom. This is a 2012 441 Meridian. Absolutely one of the most popular bridge boats for the better part of the last 10 years. See, the lines on this boat are beautiful. Big hull windows, 360-degree viewing inside this boat. We step around to the back here. Some of the specs on this beautiful bridge boat. Your beam is going to be 14 feet 3 inches. Length overall 441 is actually 47 feet 2 inches and drafts about 3 feet. Holds 432 gallons of fuel, 150 gallons of fresh water. Holding tank 55 gallons. Excellent destination boat for those extended trips. You can see as we enter the boat, we have some beautiful sea decking on our steps, accented by the blue pendant lighting. Oversized aft bench seat. Moving to the port side here, and you'll duplicate this on the starboard side as well. You have dedicated fender storage. And you'll see storage here to both sides of our stainless steel glass entryway. Entering the cabin, I'm all of 6'1". I have plenty of head height in this boat. The overall head height in this boat is 6 feet 7 inches. You have a pull-out sofa here. This boat will sleep, gosh, easily 6 to 8 people. There's storage everywhere. Under our carpet runners and under the new carpet in this boat, we've replaced the old shag carpet. There's a massive amount of storage. You can keep canned goods, maybe a mountain bike, things of that nature. See the salon entertainment system here. Full-sized fridge on this bridge boat. Plenty of counter space to do your prep work. Corian countertops. And again, massive amounts of storage. Again, you can take in that 360-degree view on this boat. Air conditioning on this boat is phenomenal. It's actually pretty cold in here right now. Let's go ahead and take a step down. This is a 2-stateroom, 2-bathroom boat. As you take a step down, you'll move to your starboard side here. You'll see a big cedar line hanging locker for your long garments. Nice vanity setup to get ready for those dinners out. This VIP stateroom will have its own entertainment system for your guest on board. We also locate the all-in-one washer and dryer. To the right of that is another cedar line hanging locker and more storage. Queen size bed. And that port side window there makes for a great headboard on this VIP stateroom. But again, light coming in both sides of this stateroom. So your guests will definitely feel like a VIP when they get to stay aboard your boat. As we step back out, we'll enter the master stateroom. Well-appointed boat. Again, the owner of the boat here will have its own entertainment system. Abundant amount of natural light coming into this boat with the port and starboard side port windows. And then of course, you'll have the option to either do a privacy screen there or a blackout screen. You have storage left and right of this stateroom, and the owner will have their own private head. It's a really nice setup. If you're a taller boater, you'll have no problem getting inside the shower. All acrylic sealed. You don't have to wipe the whole bathroom down. did walk by the day head here. And what's really cool about what Meridian did here, they didn't sacrifice for your guest on board. This is a fantastic head. Well appointed, very elegant. And the VIP on board will have their own private access. They don't have to exit their stateroom to use the facilities. Air conditioning ports in here as well to keep the temperature down. I think you can see why the 441 was a popular boat in its time. See these beautiful hardwood floors as we exit back up into the galley. And we'll go ahead and pop up to the bridge here. You can see again the sea decking. We move up, really wide staircase. Another entertainment center for while you guys are up on the bridge. This is also climate control. We have a barbecue grill here, freshwater basin here. Really big portside bench seat so we can keep the captain of the boat entertained. And just a fantastic helm station. It's a monster captain's chair. This boat is equipped with 480 Cummins engines, Zeus pods. Really nimble around the docks. Of course, it comes with the popular skyhook feature, waypoint tracking for your autopilot. Got twin ray marine setup. You can see the stainless steel work on this boat. It's gorgeous. Brand new glass on this boat. Brand new enclosure. And then again, more seating. One of the unique features about the 441 and how its canvas works is you have this enclosed bridge that you do all of your boat operations from. But as you come down, if you do run into any foul weather, you can put this curtain set up and literally access 100% of your boat without ever being in the elements. Hope you enjoyed this quick tour of this beautiful 441. If you have any questions, please give the team here in Clearwater a call at 727-536-2628. I appreciate your time. Jason with MarineMax. We'll look forward to seeing you in the showroom. Have a good day.